Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan once again. In this very exciting video of algebraic challenging equations, we are going to solve an interesting radical equation 2 plus square root 2 plus x equal to x square. I am going to solve this question by two methods. One using substitution and second method is without substitution. So let me write method number 1 without substitution. Take away 2 from both sides. So we will have square root 2 plus x is equal to x square minus 2. Now squaring, I will consider squaring both sides. So it will give us 2 plus x equal to square of RHS. So x square minus 2 whole square. So formula will be a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Done. So x power 4, take all the terms to one side, minus 4x square minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Now I will take x square common from here. So I will be having x square minus 4, and from last two term I can consider minus 1 common. Then x minus 2. Again I will use difference of squares formula. Let me write here a square minus b square can be written as a plus b times a minus b. So I will write here x square x plus 2 x minus 2 minus 1 x minus 2 equal to 0. Now it is clearly visible x minus 2 is completely we can consider common. So what is left at first term place? So x square times x plus 2, x cube plus 2x square. And here we will have minus 1. Product is 0. Then we can write either x minus 2 will be 0 or this cubic equation will be 0. Let me write equal to 0. So now turn off solutions. So first I can consider if x minus 2 equal to 0, then we can get x equal to 2. Now I am going to solve this cubic equation x cube plus 2x square minus 1 equal to 0. X cube plus 2x square minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Rational root theorem. So eligible factors of constant coefficients, you can see it is plus minus 1, leading term coefficient plus minus 1. So we can apply values. Let me put x equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Yes, it is making our equation 0. That means x minus 1 is our solution. So remaining two solutions I will find out using synthetic division method. Synthetic division method. Let me write all the coefficients first. So x cube coefficient is 1, 2x square coefficient is 2, x term is not there, coefficient is 0, constant is minus 1. Put one line over there. Now I will multiply leading coefficient, leading term as it is. Now minus 1 times 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, negative 1, negative 1 times negative 1, plus 1, 0. So quadratic equation becomes x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. And two solution, x is equal to 2, we already calculated this, and see this one is minus 1. Okay. Now let's solve this quadratic equation quickly. X is equal to quadratic formula minus b minus 1 plus minus under the root b square, that is 1 square 1 minus 4ac, so plus 4 divided by 2. So I will write minus 1 plus minus square root 5 divided by 2. So there are 4 real solutions of this equation, as you can see. 2 minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 5 over 2. Now verification time. How we will verify this? if you will put all the values, let me put x equal to 2. Put in the given equation x is equal to 2. What we'll have? 2 plus square root 4 is equal to 2 square. Okay. So this is 4 equal to 4. So this one is right. If I will put x is equal to -1. So because of we have done squaring both sides, this won't give you solution. Extraneous solution or extraneous solution, because we have done squaring. So what is ultimate solution? Similarly, which one out of these two irrational real solutions will have only one solution accepted? So I will write directly the accepted solution. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to -1 -√5/2. You can check by putting the value. Now method number 2. I am going to give substitution 2 equal to a. So I will write method number 2. Let 2 equal to a or a equal to. Okay. Let's substitute this value. So equation will become a plus x equal to x square. Take away a from both sides. So square root a plus x equal to x square minus a. Squaring both sides. So I will get a plus x equal to, again whole square. So x power 4 plus a square minus 2ax square. Now I am not going to make this quadratic in x. I am going to target quadratic in a. This is my objective. So if I will target a square, a term, then let me write that equation. A square, take all the terms to right. Then I will write minus, I will take common. A I will take common. What is left? 2x square and then plus 1. You will take a to the right, then it will become minus a. So this way we will write. Now what is left? That is x power 4 minus x equal to 0. Now you can easily see that our equation is quadratic in A. So let me write in this order. A square, B A plus C equal to 0. Then I will apply formula. So what is A? Let me write here. A is 1. B is minus of 2x square plus 1 in bracket. And C is x power 4 minus x. Okay. Now let's apply the formula, quadratic formula. So I will write A is equal to, what is A? Remember A is 2. Minus B. So minus B I will write 2x square plus 1 plus minus square root of B square. So 2x square plus 1 whole square minus 4 times A is 1, C is x power 4 minus x. And denominator is 2. Okay. Now 2x square plus 1 plus minus. Let's expand this one. If I will expand this, then I will be having 4x power 4 plus 1 plus 4x square. Whole square is done. Now expand this, minus 4x power 4 and plus 4x. And denominator, that 2 is still there. Denominator 2. Okay. Now let's cancel these two terms. What is left? 4x square plus 4x plus 1. It is 2x plus 1 whole square. If you can see. Rest is as it is. Denominator as it is. So what I am going to write, I will cancel these two terms. These two means power with square root. So what is left? 2x square plus 1 plus minus 2x plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Let me write here. A is equal to 2x square plus 1 plus minus 2x plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Now let's expand using plus and minus sign. So if I am writing plus sign, so I will be having 2x square. Let me write it. 2x square plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 divided by 2. And if I will consider minus sign in between, I will write 2x square plus 1 minus 2x minus 1 divided by 2. Let me cancel plus 1 and minus 1. Okay. LHS is 2. So there are two equations actually. X square plus x plus 1 equal to 2 and x square minus x equal to 2. So I will write quadratic equation x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0 and x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So if you will factorize using quadratic equation or splitting of central term or middle term, I can write directly from first equation. We will have x is equal to the same solution minus 1 plus minus square root 5 over 2. And from the second equation we will have x is equal to negative 1 and 2. So 2 out of 4 solutions, 2 are accepted, 2 are rejected. So let me write rejected solutions because of they are extraneous solution. So rejected one is negative 1 and negative 1 plus root 5 over 2. So finally our solution becomes, you can put the value and cross check if you want. Accepted solutions are 2 and negative 1 negative root 5 over 2. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video.